I recently talked with our plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical expert about how to make sure our system keeps working this season. With colder weather, that can mean frozen pipes, and we want to avoid that, that's for sure. Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, and Electrical joins us now with some advice on to prevent this and then fix it. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, you bet.
Is frozen pipes, is that something you all see quite often, especially in the winter?
Yeah, when we get to the super cold temps, then that happens. Usually it's in some of the older homes. Obviously, the older the home gets, then the looser it gets, is what we call it. Less, just more air infiltration, that kind of thing. But yeah, we get cold enough here in Iowa that those water lines that are on the outside, the exterior walls, then they tend to happen. One of the biggest tips that a lot of people don't think about is those outside faucets. Once, even in not the extreme cold temperatures, then we need to make sure that the hoses are disconnected from those. That's a big call.
Yeah, that's something that sometimes we kind of forget about, especially when it gets really cold all of a sudden.
Yeah, well, it's been out there forever, and you kind of get used to seeing it there, and then we kind of forget about it. But internally, obviously, there's things that we can do. Make sure that if it's susceptible, it's happened in the past, those pipes freeze, then leave a little bit of a drip on those super cold nights. But really the main thing is, we've talked before about checking those furnaces and the filters and making sure that those are ready for the season are probably the biggest things.
And you all have plumbing as a part of your service.
Yeah.
And this is something that the Gold Club membership would cover to hopefully check this out and prevent it and then fix it if there's a problem, right?
Yeah, exactly. Most of the time, most of the things that we do are just not things that are part of a daily routine until it's an issue. So being a part of that Gold Club membership, then obviously all of your annual maintenance is covered and taken care of, and we catch these things before we get into these sticky situations where something's not working or we have an emergency. But the biggest part of the Gold Club, everybody does or knows about the maintenance part of it, but as a Gold Club member, then you go to the front of the line, we come out for free and 10% off of any of the work that's done. So we're just a partner in all of this with you should you need it.
And it's a great value too, and you can even set it up where you just pay it monthly, is that right?
Yeah, just like everything else, like your Netflix or whatever else. But yeah, it's only $99 a year, which is for all of the services, plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical. So it's by far a great deal regardless, but yeah, I think it works out to $8 a month, something like that. It just comes out and we're on call for you anytime you need us.
Well, Bobby, thanks so much for being here to prepare us for any frozen pipe situation.
We're almost there.
Gosh, okay. Thanks again. Well, you can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.